Every year, the industry quietly burns the equivalent of 12 aircraft carriers or 2,000 F-35 fighter jets, simply because we failed to convert data into engineering decisions. This represents a massive opportunity in maintenance. The global industrial maintenance spend is approximately $450 billion annually, with a significant portion wasted. Reactive maintenance alone costs $157 billion, while preventive maintenance costs $180 billion, often addressing the wrong failure modes. A shift to condition-based maintenance could save over $15 billion annually. We already have sensors, vibration data, thermal images, and maintenance reports. Yet, we struggle with identifying failures and deciding on actions. This is an execution gap, not a technology gap. Rapid Eye is a practical engineering intelligence system that transforms signals into understanding, understanding into decisions, and decisions into action. It identifies true failure modes and enables confident, cause-linked diagnosis. In the first phase, focus on existing data to identify true failure modes. Answer critical questions about component failures and real causes, leading to immediate diagnostic clarity and quick wins. Phase 2 involves shifting from alarms to cause-linked diagnosis. By focusing on high-impact assets, we can better plan interventions and begin realizing real cost savings. In Phase 3, replace static schedules with dynamic, condition-driven maintenance. This approach reduces maintenance overload, optimizes resource allocation, and significantly cuts costs. Phase 4 targets the root causes of failures by applying engineering and physics to improve design and operating practices. This step change in reliability can save $200,000 to $500,000 per machine annually. Industries like refineries, power plants, mining operations, and manufacturing plants stand to gain the most from intelligent maintenance, with potential savings in the tens of millions of dollars every year. The opportunity is massive. The question is, are we ready to move from data to decisions to predictable performance? Rapid AI offers cause-linked, actionable, and permanent solutions to stop failures before they start.